this sound works. It's a bit windy. I tried the radio mic, but no success. Obviously I'll need to read the instructions. I just thought I could plug it in and make it go, but I can't. So here I am on Fleetwith Pike, which is one of the mountains around the periphery of Buttermere, one of my favourite valleys in the Lake District. Parked up the van last night in Honister Pass, just pulled off the road, nice and quiet, slept there overnight, had a good night. A bit misty this morning, so the fact that the sun's out now is a big bonus. I managed to get up, but it took me 2 hours, and I had to stop a lot on the way, so I struggle these days. And I'll just flip the camera now and show you where a couple of years ago I did a walk in one day. Yeah, so here's the panorama from where I'm sat on the summit of Fleetwith Pike. There's the cairn, and then coming around here we've got Wainwright's favourite mountain, where in fact he was buried. This is Haystacks. Innominate Tarn is the tarn where his ashes were scattered. That's the top of Haystacks there, and behind you can see Pillar. And then coming round is Seat, High Crag, High Stile, and then in the far distance there Red Pike, although that's not the summit of Red Pike that you can see there. And there's Buttermere and Crummock Water in the far distance. Absolutely splendid. And on the other side here is Robinson. So a couple of years ago I parked down in Buttermere, in the village, and walked all the way around Robinson, all the way up to the slate mine and around to where I'm sat, and then across the valley here and all the way down to Red Pike and then back to the car, all in one day. I can't believe I used to be able to do that, because I certainly couldn't do it now. I'm going to put the drone up now and see if I can get some shots.
shadow in the dark left me with a burning heart. Summer comes and goes, they say, but with you, darling, it only stays. As sure as a new sunrise, forever in your lane. Evening river walks, the sun is low, but it's not lost. We got time to waste tonight. Let's find a place for only you and I. It's sure as a new sunrise, and as white as the moon is at night. It's sure as a new sunrise, forever in your.
So this wonderful display of blue can't be bluebells, so it must be lavender. Right folks, I'm nearer now, and they are bluebells. I thought they only really grew in semi-shade in woodland areas. I've never seen bluebells in such abundance in the open, in a field. But I guess this field doesn't get a lot of sun, so maybe that's the explanation. But it is absolutely breathtaking. So there's the final panorama of the day. So all of that ridge along the top there is where I've walked today, right the way round to here to Haystacks, and then down the path to these woods which we're coming into view now. And then behind we've got Buttermere, lovely afternoon sunshine or late afternoon sunshine. Fabulous walk, a bit tired now but hugely enjoyable. Bye for now.